for kindness, consideration, and
I actually like
this
it.
year.
Dad,
Your mum and dad also reminded me how dependable you've been about learning to read and write. I know you're starting school next year, so it's very important that you be a good girl and listen to your teacher at school. My visit to your home in Seven Hills was at the top of my schedule, so thank you for being fast asleep in your bed early on Christmas Eve. Please be a good girl for your mummy
that?
and daddy. Listen to me and remember.
Oh my God, has that got buttons on top? Put on the lounge and look at the buttons.
Santa is always watching.
Put your finger in and push the buttons.
There is a lot to be done up here. The reindeer need new bells for their harnesses. The ribbon curling machine needs oils. Oh, the list is endless. Well, the elves tell me it's time to judge the peppermint stick contest, so I'll best be on my way. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas, Santa Claus.
now we got that.
Where's your card?